In this video, we're going to explore default props in React. Default props allow you to set default values for the props of a React component, in case no value is passed from the parent component. So let's dive in and see how they work. So what exactly are default props? Default props are fallback values that React components use when a prop is not provided by the parent component. They ensure that your components always have sensible defaults and prevent undefined prop errors. This makes your code more robust and easier to maintain. Here's how you can define default props in a function component using default parameters. Inside the function's parameter list, you can assign default values to props. For example, if a button component receives a text prop, but no value is provided, it defaults to click me. Similarly, if the size prop is missing, it defaults to medium. This method is concise and readable, making it a preferred way to define default props in modern React function components. Alternatively, you can use the default props property to define default values for your props. After defining your component, you can assign an object to the default props property of the component function. This object contains key value pairs where the keys are the prop names, and the values are the default values. This approach is commonly used in class components, but can also be used with function components. Let's look at some usage examples. If you render the button component without any props, it will use the default text, "Click me." If you want to override the default text, you can pass a text prop with a different value, such as submit. Finally, you can also customize other props, such as the size, while still using the default text, by passing both the text and size props. Default props can also handle more complex data structures like objects. Here's an example using a user card component. If no user prop is provided, the component will use a default user object with the name of anonymous and a default avatar image. The showBadge prop defaults to true, and the theme prop defaults to light. This is useful for providing a complete set of default configurations for your components. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using default props. First, use meaningful defaults that make sense for your component. This makes your component more intuitive and easier to use. Second, prefer default parameters in modern React function components, as it leads to cleaner and more readable code. Finally, keep your default values simple and predictable to avoid unexpected behavior. In summary, default props provide fallback values for your components, making them more robust and user-friendly. Use default parameters or the default props property to ensure your components always have meaningful values, and remember to follow best practices for clean and maintainable code. Happy coding! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.